Alright my people, what's up, let's take a tour. Welcome back to Flint Food and Adventure and Flint BCTV. Check out any one of them you want. Check out both of them, hit a like button, subscribe, and so anytime I have a content, you guys can get notified right away to see what's up, So thank you, thank you. Let me thank you from now. For liking, sharing, subscribing to Flint Food and Adventure, Flint BCTV. So I know my people, we're gonna look at a bit of road trip. This is my city, right? This is a beautiful looking city, and I live in the heart of the city. It's New Westminster, BC, right? Everything around you, as you can see. But I'm going to IKEA, right? Because I went to Home Depot yesterday. I was gonna make myself a bed frame, but I don't have the space to make it, right? Because I have to do some cutting, sanding, and varnishing, and I can make the frame myself, right? Because I know woodwork, right? So, but I live in an apartment, so I cannot do it. So no. My brother was saying, why not just go to Casco and shop around, right? So give me a good idea. I forgot you can go to not Casco, IKEA. I guess Casco would have it too, but I'm going to IKEA. So take you guys along with me to IKEA and see what we can find. And that is it, my people. But this is a beautiful looking city, man. This is my city. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. And anybody know New West, they know it's a nice place, man. If you ever hear about New Westminster, BC, trust me, it's a nice place, man. Family oriented, out to 100 and plus. I can tell you that from now. But it's nice. It's always changing. Always change. So this will be, I think we're on 6th Street right now. And this is 6th and 4th. Yeah, 6th and 4th. Here, most of the street is all numbered, really. Most of them. So we'll go down to 6th Street to Royal. We're gonna make a left on Royal and go all the way out. And on the bottom of the hill. In winter, this is the most dangerous road, really. The only good thing is, if you run out of brake, you can't stop. The only good thing is, we can save your life. Keep running, and because the river is right ahead. You're going straight in that river. Really. Yeah, the river is straight ahead. I see a policeman run off of this road already, But he gets so panic. I used to live down there, right? And my policeman, actually run in the store instead of running straight ahead. Alright, girls. That's when girls look attention, When girls are looking for attention, they dress some way. And I wish I could show you guys. These girls, young girls too, they're just really provocative. There's no beach near, there's lakes, right? There's river, but then nobody can swim in that river, so but they're new to this. They're new to BC. You know, they're new to BC, so you can tell. Let them do them thing. Why not? If you got it, plant it. Yeah, so we're gonna make, this is Royal have now, Royal and 6. So we're gonna turn on Royal. And now we're on Royal Street, or Royal have our street. I'm gonna go look at bed frame and see what we get. I see they're working on this building right here, the one in front of us with all those cranes and stuff. This building they just go up, you know. I don't know how them don't build these things so quick. Really? This building on your right, you guys looking at, just go about last year summer they started, and it's almost done. A lot of building is going up, and a whole bunch of these buildings are going up. So yeah. McBride. So Royal and McBride. So we're going to turn right on McBride and go right all the way down. We're going to cross over the highway, and then right there, no, they're building a new bridge. Right there on the EVC on the right. There. They're building a bridge right there. They're building a new bridge to take out the old one. Because the old one is just one lane. You know, so they need to upgrade it. Alright, so we're gonna take McBride, go all the way down. Yeah, my babes. Yeah man, this is Vancouver, this is New Westminster, man, British Columbia, Canada. Then, otherwise that's British Canada, nice place to live. It's not so hectic like Toronto. And we have lots of wildlife. We have lots of, man, Canada have so much lake, it's even funny. I think Canada have the most lake in the world right now. Right? Canada have lots of lake, lots. Right? Cause the last time I checked, they have over almost 200,000 lakes. Canada have lots of lakes. Second largest country in the world, right behind Russia. Big enough. American thinks that they're bigger than Canada, but they have no idea. Most of these Americans They don't realize Canada is 10 times bigger than them. Really, big countrymen. And it's not as populated as America, right? Which is good. All right, so I think this is still McBride, really. So we're gonna go down here. IKEA is just across when you drive across the highway bridge. You know, IKEA is right there across from Canadian Tire. Right. To Braid Street. Braid Street. Braid and McBride? Really? That's a coincidence. But yeah, my people, we'll see. So we're gonna go across. The highway is just around the corner. But I'm not going to work until tomorrow. And I work for myself, so yeah, I can go anytime I feel. But yeah, tomorrow I'll go back to work. So this is the hottest month. You know, the 2 months I have in hottest month. July, August. July and August is the hottest month. This month now, through the last month, this heat come with very sticky. You know, it's very sticky, really. Highway is right there. So we're at the highway now, but we're not going on the highway. We're going over the highway. And IKEA is just down the block. Yeah, my people, so but welcome to my beautiful city, New Westminster, British Columbia. Alright. Road up that way, and this way now where we're going would be Lloyd. Yeah, it would be Lloyd. This is low yield. This road take you all the way to Abbotsford, you know, really. All the way to Abbotsford. And this is IKEA right here. So IKEA is on your left. No, on your right. I never come to IKEA before, you know, that's the thing. So I'm kind of new to IKEA because I don't believe in this in the shop. The thing they're selling, I think it's all garbage. As soon as you buy it, a month later it's all broken. Let's main parking, exchange, return. Wow, they park underground, yeah? It's alright. As long as I find out where to come back. Alright, my people. See? Parking is easy. Alright, so we're in. Alright, Phillips. Let me get I want to get my stick. I don't want to stop this video just yet. Alright, so let me put you on pause for a minute, people. We'll be right back. My people, now we're back. I gotta remember, we're at Parking K. So, welcome to Tesco. First time for me to come to Tesco, really. I don't buy nothing from this place. So, we're gonna see how is it this time, right? And I'm gonna video as much as I can so you guys can see. I mean, sorry, not Tesco. I keep on saying Tesco because Tesco is my favorite store. IKEA. Right? I guess you could take the elevator too if you want. But if it's not working, I take the elevator because I'm not walking. I'm an old man. First time for me. Let me see if I'm gonna like, let's see. I have a piece. We're gonna shopping for some, but I'm gonna look in for a bed mattress partner. Yeah, Jessica's not bad. Huh. I mean, IKEA is not so bad. Let's see. Showroom. Alright. Welcome to IKEA showroom. Yeah. He's not looking at the couch right now. Look at that. Wow. That's why I never come in a place. Welcome to IKEA, people, where everything is reasonable but doesn't last long. So, what am I looking for? It's not here. We'll find it. We'll find it though, because so what they do, they make a display of all the furniture in a little space, room like, so you can see what it like before you buy it. Yeah. $300. You can bring them back. Yeah, so that's what I'm going on here. But I'm looking for what I'm looking for is bed frames, at least. Hi, excuse me. Where do you guys keep your the bed frames and stuff?
Bedroom.
Oh.
Right across the yard.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Welcome to IKEA. So, bed over here. Okay. What is dresser? But I don't need none. I just need some bed. Let me see some bed frames. Okay. This is my department. I'm looking for. I didn't care to measurement either, so. can get just the frame alone. Maybe something like more of a oh, it's pushing. IKEA family price.
Yes.
239, 238, and then regular price is 298. So you think you're getting a deal, but you're not getting a deal. Yeah. Right. That would be good to get one of those though. Alright, my peeps. I'm not going to kill you guys with this IKEA stuff. Okay. So this 17, the sheet.
So how are we gonna have 14 minutes in bed if we don't have to? I love that, but I want this one.
All right, peeps, as you can see. Yeah, they have a couple of choices. But these things won't last long, that's the problem. I see why they won't last long.
Oh, there's your sheets. Look at the beautiful pillowcase. Oh, and is this a soft one? Hey, come here.
All right. Get one of these beds right here. But it wouldn't be this one. No. Front one plain. Yeah. I have to just make a choice.
It's a cute couch.
No? I still say that one. I still say one of those. I'll take.
Mommy says you could. I gotta go. I'll be back there in like 2 hours. It is the bottom anywhere. That is
Wow. See, this is what IKEA do. Set it up, say grab your attention. And we're looking out the highway. So them set up this place like a showcase, like a bedroom, and stage it. You know, them stage everything. You know? So this is where my girl would have her. This would be a walk-in closet. She control this. Beautiful bathroom with a tub, and then they'll give you a shower space. Where the latch screen is on by the next side, by the door, which is good. But they make a good stage, though. Really. They make a good stage, man. That is it. Them set it up nice, though. Really. When you set up a picture, you're looking out the bedroom windows. Oh boy. All right. So, maybe I'll make a choice. I'll take one of these. I just want the bed itself. I don't want the mattress. I don't want nothing. I just want that. Sorry, my peeps. You see? Yeah. Yeah. And I like to draw it. This is the way I would get one of these. Yeah. So, I'm looking at this one. That's the one not from peeps. As you can see. Yeah, so I will find out. I will find out. But let's walk around and see what else we can find. Well, I'll find the bed I want. I mean, just the, not the bed itself, just the, for this mattress, about $600. And for the bed frame itself, is another $400 with tax, $500. So, yeah, that's not bad. It's comfy. Yeah, it's really comfy. Not bad. Let's take something like this. This would be good. Yeah. But it doesn't have the drawer, you see? That one over there.
Things off your closet like sure.
classes. Alright my peeps, I gotta go now. That is it for the video. I find what I'm looking for. I just gotta make a choice. So I just catch me back on the flip side, peeps. And we're leaving, we'll show you where we're going.